me. Born out of jealousy. Next to me. Baby darling. Good morning, everyone. Well, it's no longer morning because I underestimated the stove. I thought it was going to take me less time, but it took me so long. So, anyway, welcome back to another weekly vlog. Yeah. I put it to us, like, nothing there. Was it pheromones on it? Roast corn. Well, first of all, I had this juicer. I bought this juicer like 4 years ago. Never used it. It's been on top of my cupboard for 4 years. So today I wanted to make some pineapple and cucumber juice. I'm about to open it up and we're gonna juice today. I can use a blender, but when I use the blender then I'll have to strain and I'm not in the mood to strain it. So this juicer, I bought it at Best Buy and it was $20, no, $30, but that was 4 years ago, so I'm not sure how much it is right now. And the brand is Bella. So today we're gonna open it up. Come say hi. Say hi. This is one of my grandbabies. Cuteness overload. I like you. What's wrong with you? It's raining so bad. Wow.
Yeah. And if I lay another minute, we gon' be starting something. Don't want no small talk straight my way out. And if I stay another second, we go together talking house up on the hill. Go together and your way. Ooh, that's why I can sit on the phone with you. I can be holding hands. I can get to it all with you.
The one that I have back home is so old. I already know how to use it because I have one. So this, I'm gonna just wash everything first.
It was all a dream, just a new girl on the scene. Got your face on magazines. How it feels can't hit me. Body you care to see. Plenty fire in my eyes, just the way I like to be. Will I stay, will I leave? I can figure out myself when I'm distant in my world. I can hold on to the past and be absolutely mad, but I go up the streets just searching for my wings. If you know where I'll find it, I will take a limousine. Let's go out, burning, burning and burning, burning, burning and burning, burning, burning and burning, burning, burning and burning. Push it to the game.
I know there's somebody who loves me. Somebody who really loves me. That's all I need. Me and Miami turning up another night. We smoking broccoli, but she's smelling like a rat. I'm in on candy, trying to get out in a crack. Friends on my friends, they trying to get. Her name is Angel, but she's far from God. They don't play well.
So I decided to add some ginger. not a lot. I'll probably add this much. And I'm not gonna peel it. I did peel the pineapple, but I did not peel the cucumber. And I'm not gonna peel the ginger either.
Oh yeah. Me and my
Start drying off stuff so I can start juicing.
She said her bestie wanna get home and swap. I said I'm sad, baby, and that's doing a lot. I'm trying to do more than bust down your watch. I need somebody who gon' meet me at the top. Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? Said it don't pay well to fall in love. I need the stars and something lining up. Thought my ex bitch was bad, but she found up. Oh yeah, yeah. Somebody who like me in the building. Somebody who feel me in the building. We thought 50.
So now we're going to start blending. But a trick I wanted to use is that I always put a bag here for easy cleanup. So that's a little trick. So we're ready to go. Pretty good. Probably should have put it on high.
Oh yeah, I know there's somebody who loves me. Somebody who really loves me. That's all I need. Yeah.
Put this one in the refrigerator. This is trash. So now I'm gonna rewash everything. And then I'll see you guys when I'm finished. I have some oil down from yesterday. So I'm just gonna warm it up. Listen, please, I'm doing something here. Yummy. A national dish is called oil down. I pop it in the microwave and that's what we're eating. I'm gonna feed these cats before they eat me alive in here and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I had to feed the choir. I swear, you're gonna think that they never ate before. Like, they've been on a diet for months. The way they scream. It's like they eat non-stop. Soon I won't be able to afford them. Because they're too expensive. Cheers. Baby, our mouths are shut right now. Everybody eating. About to eat, so I'll talk to you guys later on. For one job. Ow.
drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it, dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, hit them strictly with the fire. Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, hit them strictly with the fire. It's a lie, they a dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya.
Good morning, everyone. So today is Friday and I just took the ponytail off. Oh my goodness, it's itching me so bad. So I took the ponytail off and now I'm trying to get the glue out before wetting my hair. And then I'm gonna wash my hair and get ready for my appointment at 11. So I'll see you guys in a minute.
I know there's somebody who loves me. Somebody who really loves me. That's all I need. We in Miami turning up another night. We smoking broccoli, but she smelling like a ride. I'm in a penny trying to get out in a cry. Friends are my friends and they trying to get. Her name is Angel, but she's far from God. Say they don't pay well to fall in love. Must be the stars, but something's lying in love. Love my exes was a bad, but you find out. Oh, no. Yeah. Somebody who loves me in the building. Somebody who feels me in the feeling. We throw 50,000 in the ceiling. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We in Miami turning up another night. We took the trophy, let the shorties take the yacht. We all in Santos, I rented out the spot. Friends, all of my friends, and they tryna get God. Her name is Angel, but she must forgot. She said her bestie wanna get home and swap. I said I'm shy, baby, and that's doing a lot. I'm tryna do more than bust down your watch. I need somebody who gon' meet me at the top. Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? Said it don't pay well to fall in love. I need the stars or something lining up. Thought my ex bitch was bad, but she find out. Oh yeah. Yeah. Somebody who loves me in the building. Somebody who feels me.
Under the dryer.
Somebody who loves me. Somebody who really loves me. That's all I need. Yeah.
Hey guys, so I just got through with my hair. Oh Lord, a bus.